Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map for the Dreame D30 Ultra. If you're interested in the D30 Ultra, the link to it will be in the video description, where we have linked our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and we have a daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the video description. So we're in our D30 right here, so let me show you. Here's what the D30 looks like from the main Dreame app screen. We can just tap on the image, we'll be taken in, and we have at the very center a beige button that says Start Fast Mapping. So select that button. They walk you through a quick prep guide, open up all the doors to all the rooms in your house where you want the map to map. Make sure you tidy up things on the floor, hit OK. And now it's going to go out and it's going to start mapping. It'll take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes to create the map. It'll go back to the station, then it will initialize the map, and you're able to approve of the map or edit the map as needed. All right, it's back at the station. Mapping was completed. Take a look at the map that it prepared for us right here. Everything looks great. Very easy if we want to edit this map for whatever reason. Right-hand center of the screen, we have two map icons. The first one's a map with an eyeball. The second one is the map with a pencil. Hit the map with the pencil, and now we have our editing options here. We can repartition rooms, we can adjust floor type, we can add no-go zones and virtual walls, we can place furniture on the map, we can adjust cleaning order, we can add threshold and ramps to the map and identify those for the vacuum, and we also have our carpet settings. Below that, you'll notice multi-floor map management, and here we can adjust our home type, single or multi-floor. And then if we select multi-floor like we have now, you could create another map down at the bottom, right? So you can add multiple maps. That way, upstairs, downstairs, you get the idea. And then from here, we can see all of our map options again for editing. So it's simple and straightforward to create a map and then multiple maps with the Dreame D30 Ultra.